Good morning, ma'am.
We were doing the writing section, children, if you remember, last time. Hmm? How many of you were there when we did the writing section first question? Raise your hands, those who were there. Okay, only Anant was there. Fine. Anant, now we are going to do the second part of the writing section today. A different one. We did the one which is that SHO wala, na? Now we are going to do the next one today. Let's do it very quickly. This I have already done with you, the grammar section many times. See this. You are Vajanti Vijay from Prakashanagar, Sikandrabad. Write a letter to Book Heaven Store requesting home delivery of the book, stationery, and art materials you had ordered telephonically. Share the reason for being unable to pick up the goods in person. Confirm your address details in a convenient time slot. Very good, 3 had done. But now you need to do is just your address, date. Now over here they have not told you whom to write a letter to the Book Heaven Store. So you simply write the manager. In such cases where it is not mentioned कि किसको लिख रहे हैं, then please write the manager, Book Heaven Store. So you'll write your address, you'll write date, you'll write the manager, the address, subject, and the first paragraph. Only this much. In the first paragraph, you will only tell the purpose of writing the letter. You'll simply tell what, beta? You'll simply tell that on so and so date, I had given a telephonic order for these goods. And since I'm not able to come and collect it personally, I request you to please deliver them at my residence. Only the first paragraph, which should have 2 lines, maximum 2 to 3 lines, not more than that. So you will write your hands down. Thank you so much. Well done, children. After you finish this, raise your hands. Let me know. Post on the group. I'll check. Not the entire letter. Your address, date, to whom you're writing, subject, and the first paragraph. Write on a paper or a pen or type it on the mobile, whatever is convenient for you. Do it, and once you finish, let me know. Then post on the group. I'll tell you what are the mistakes. Beta yaad rakho, only first paragraph and the format. Please start. Start and let me know. Whoever has done, post on the group. We'll check.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, dear. Good morning. Have you heard what I said?
No, ma'am.
You've come late. Second part we are doing eighth question Or wala, you are Vejanti Vijaya from Prakash Nagar, Sikandrabad. Can you see on your screen?
Yes, ma'am.
This has to be done, but not the entire letter. Only what you need to do is your address, date, to whom you are writing, subject, and the first paragraph. In the first paragraph, you will only tell why you are writing the letter. That you had ordered some goods telephonically and you will not be able to collect them. So they should be delivered at your home. Is it okay? Am I clear? Please start.
Yes, ma'am.
Only the first paragraph. Finish it and post it on the group and let me know so that I can check. Hurry up, bacha. Whoever finishes needs to tell me so that I can check on the group. I'll be taking down the attendance after 5 minutes so that I get to know who are there in the meeting and who are not there. Nishkash, you finished? Hmm?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Okay. Your hand was raised, so I thought you have posted. Chalo, never mind. Do it. Only the first paragraph with the format.
Okay, ma'am.
Those who've joined late, question number 8, we are doing B part beta. Not the entire letter, just the format and the first paragraph. After you finish, raise your hands and post. After 2 minutes, I'll take down the attendance of this class. I'll be taking your names, then I'll mark the attendance. Arish? Okay. Your name is Arish. Okay. Aman? Aman Narula, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Let me mark present. Janvi? Nishkarsh Kumar?
Present, ma'am.
Okay, beta. Fine. Then Mohammed Ayan? Okay. Pranjal?
Yes,
Pranjal.
ma'am.
Okay, fine.
Ma'am, Janvi present. Ma'am, actually that time the mic was not working properly.
Okay, never mind, beta.
Thank you, ma'am.
7, 8, 9, 10. Pranjal. Your name is not coming. What number is it, Pranjal, in the class list?
I'm 25.
25. Here is Yashi Shukla. This is 10B now?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes,
Now
ma'am.
they have made it 1. The list I have got from the office, your number is 1 in this, Pranjal. Okay. Sudhir? Sudhir Singh?
Present, ma'am.
Okay, beta. And then we have Vansh. Okay, some problem in his mic, no problem. Vansh is here. Okay. ठीक है बेटा, it's okay. Anant. Anant is also there.
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am, I
he's
am
raised
present.
his hand.
Ma'am, I have
Okay.
done with the later part, starting.
Anant is also marked present. Is there anyone who's left? I've not taken name. I marked all present. Okay, let's read
Yes,
what Anant
Ma'am,
has written.
ma'am, I am.
Can I send?
I am. Why did you not speak? Hmm?
Ma'am, network problem was there. So, ma'am,
Network problem. So much network problem is there. Chalo, let me check for Mohammed Ayan. Yes, beta, I marked you present. Who has finished writing? Anand, you finished? Hmm. You finished, Anand? Anand, please post on the group. Anant, post on the group so that I can check.
Ma'am, I have sent on the group.
Okay, I was seeing I did not find. Let me see again. When did you post? Let me see. Chalo, never
Ma'am,
mind.
just now.
That is why. Chalo, let me see. Now I can see. Pranjali. 65 Prakashan Nagar, Sikandrabad, 10th November, book. Beta, book Heaven Store से पहले write to whom you're writing the letter. So write the manager. The manager, book Heaven Store. बाकी सब ठीक है. Subject home delivery. Dear sir, this is to put a file requesting you for home delivery stationery and art material to enable. Excellent. Everything he has written correct, Pranjal. Only book Heaven Store से पहले क्या लिखना था? The manager. Is it okay, beta? Are you listening?
Yes, ma'am.
Acha. Pranjal will now write the second paragraph and post Pranjal you will give all the details. Okay, that what time you want it to be delivered, between which time to which time, on what days you want it to deliver, and then also tell them that how you will do the payment, by check or by cash, and if there is something which is damaged, then will you return it or not. So all the conditions regarding money receiving, quality have to be put in the second paragraph. So since Pranjal is the only one who has finished the first paragraph, he will post the second paragraph.
I have
Others I
also
am
done,
waiting.
but
But post now. If not finished, then please post. You're not
it is
posting.
taking very.
Okay, Pranjal, you do the second paragraph.
Okay, ma'am.
Others post and let me know so that I can check.
I'm posted.
If somebody else has posted, let me know.
Yes, ma'am, I have posted.
Ma'am, I have also posted.
Okay, now I'll start checking. Keep listening. Okay, let's check. First, we are checking for this. Whose is this? Second one after Pranjal? Dr. Deepa. Whose is this?
Ma'am, today,
Sudeep. Okay. Sudeep, now you listen, okay? Let's see what all he has done. 30, Nagar, Sikandrabad, very good. November 10, perfect. Manager Book Heaven, Sikandrabad, very good. Home delivery, dear sir, this is to put to your kind information. Better not kind information, kind notice. What will you say? Kind
can notice.
notice. This is to put your kind notice that regarding for home delivery of the books and stationery materials. How but you tell them now that you had placed an order telephonically. ठीक है वो write करो. Rest your format is perfect. Just say that this is I want to put your kind notice that I had given a telephonic order on this date. Date बता दो. And now I cannot come and collect the goods. So please deliver them at my residence. Good. Now move on to the second paragraph. Second paragraph may you tell them when do you want the books? Which weekdays? What time? How will you pay? Cash or check? And how will you check the quality? All those things. Very good. Sudhir, chaliye move on to the second paragraph. Next is this. Let's see this. Beta house number is not given. Chalo, never mind. But you should have added some house number on your own. 21, comma, Prakaran Nagar or something. 10th November. Beta date. Where is the comma after November? Whose is this? Who has posted this? Last one.
Ma'am,
Put a
Anand.
comma. Okay, and put a comma after November. Okay, beta. The manager book heaven
Okay, ma'am.
soul unable to pick up. Beta, subject ये नहीं है that you're not able to go and pick up the goods. The main subject is that the things have to be delivered at your home. So subject will be request for delivery, request for home delivery of the material ordered. This is not the main subject that you're not able to go and collect the things. What is the main subject of the letter? That you're requesting for what? You're requesting for home delivery of the material. So only your subject is not fine. Rest everything is perfect. आगे क्या लिखा है? I'm sorry to inform you. Let's say it telephonically. If it would have been better, अगर आप date भी बताते, that which date you ordered telephonically, ना?
Yes, ma'am.
Rest everything is perfect. Rest everything is perfect. Now go and give the details in the second paragraph.
Okay, ma'am.
Very good. Continue. Continue, children. Very good. Whoever finishes the second paragraph, please let me know so that we can check. Nobody's finished the second paragraph yet. Beta, finish quickly.
Excuse me, ma'am. Ma'am, after second paragraph, ma'am, we have to written the your faithfully.
Oh, no. Abhi to just post the
Ma'am,
second paragraph, then I will tell you how to conclude the letter. Okay? If you have written the second paragraph, just post the second one. Directly, not faithfully, there is one concluding line. That I will tell you.
okay,
See,
ma'am.
after second paragraph, you know what you do? After second paragraph, change the line. Okay? And in the third paragraph, you write, what are you going to write? That I hope that the goods will be delivered on time. Okay? या फिर ये लिखो, I hope for a speedy delivery of goods. Thanking you in anticipation. और फिर yours, जो नीचे लिखना है. So next line में third paragraph starts where two lines have to be written. I hope that the goods will be delivered on time, or I hope for the speedy delivery of the goods. And niche, thanking you in anticipation. Next line. And then yours, whatever you want to write, write your name or something. So you can conclude also with the next two lines and then post on the group. Line change kar lena beta, but
Okay, ma'am.
finish and then post.
I have posted the. I have posted letter on group.
Okay, you've done the conclusion also? The last 2 lines which I told you, that also you've done?
Yes, ma'am.
Chalo, let's check. Okay, beta. Let's read very quickly how he has written so that we know if there is any mistake, I'll point out. The next time, I'm sure you will not do that mistake. Chalo, Pranjal has done this. The order have to be. Beta, order has to be, not have to. Order is singular, na? So it should be has to. Okay, are you listening? Okay. The order has to be delivered in
Yes,
the
ma'am.
evening at 5 p.m. The payment may be online. Okay. If the product is not good, then I will return the order. Very good. I hope the order will be delivered on time. Your anticipation nahi. Thanking you in anticipation. Anticipation का मतलब होता है पहले से ही किसी काम को कर लेना, तो पहले से ही thank you बोल रहे हो आप. Okay. So what will you say? Thanking you in anticipation. And because ये business letter है, यहाँ पे yours नहीं लिखना है. Just write Vijay.
Okay, ma'am.
What will you write? Vijay. So only the last line has to be written again. Rest everything is excellent. What will you write? Thanking you in anticipation. And नीचे क्या लिखोगे? Vijay. बस. That's it. Just change the last line, beta. Very good. Well done. Excellent. Too good.
Okay, ma'am.
Very good. Well done, beta. You can change the last line and post again.
Can you please tell me ending how we have to? I'm done.